How to add Peacock app to Dish Hopper. I'm going to tell you how to add the Peacock app to your Dish Hopper. First, bad news up front. As of now, the Peacock app is not natively available on any Dish Hopper receivers. Dish doesn't currently support direct app downloads like a smart TV or Roku would. But there are easy workarounds. The best method is using an external streaming device. Just connect a Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast to your Hopper connected TV via HDMI. From there, download the Peacock app on the device, sign in, and you're good to go. If you have a smart TV, you can skip the Hopper entirely and run Peacock directly from the TV's app store. And if you're using a Dish voice remote, don't be confused. Saying Peacock won't launch anything unless it's set up through one of those streaming devices. In short, Dish doesn't block Peacock. You just need another device to access it.